So hello guys, today we are talking about how to plot graphs in Python. So before we can start, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video then please share it with your friends. So uh, we can start. So we need a Python library for this. So if we have Matplotlib in our system, then it's fine. If you don't have Matplotlib, then go to command prompt and just type pip install matplotlib. Okay, and then press enter. If you have Matplotlib, then it's show you have, and if you are not, then it's grab from our source and install it in our system. Okay, so I have but older version, but it's fine. Okay, so what we can do, I will use Python shell programming. So you can use any ID according to your requirement. You can use any ID. So I will just import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, so I will use this class as a plt. Okay, then I will take in a list of x-axis values. Okay, and corresponding y-axis value. Okay, so now I will plot this x value and y value and just show our graph. So we get this graph corresponding our data. So this is simplest graph. We don't have any label, x-axis label, y-axis label. We don't have any name of the graph. So